So you all look horrifying. And that's thanks to the holidays. You look amazingly horrifying. So thank you for busting it out for us here tonight. How many of you who have been to our holiday sing-along in the past? Okay, good. So a lot of you have been, some of you have not. So we are going to guarantee you that you will not have a Blue Christmas this year. As God is my witness, you will not have a Blue Christmas. Because we've got singing to do. Yes. So for those of you who don't know, so this is what we do. This is how it goes down. So we scour the world all year round, starting on December 26th. And we look for musical moments from our favorite holiday TV shows, movies, music videos, concerts. Basically, if we can find someone singing in front of a wreath, we're going to show it. And by the way, how many of you love TV Christmas specials? Yes, I love them. So every year I watch as many as possible. The old classics are the best. The Andy Williams, the Bing Crosby, the Sonny and Cher. I just this last week watched for the first time the Judy Garland Christmas special. Have you seen that? That is like a freak out, surreal nightmare. She's there with Liza and Lorna and the boy that no one remembers. And then all these crazy people start showing up. Oh, hello, Mel Torme, why don't you sing a song? And then the mute Santas run in and start forcing Judy Garland to join them in a kick line. And then they all disappear. It's like a flash mob in the 50s. And then Judy Garland rushes for the cabinet. And then it's a very happy holiday. So clips. So we have clips, and then of course we subtitle them because this is a sing-along, and then we throw them on screen so that you can sing along. And my disclaimer, as always, is it doesn't matter if you can sing. What matters is that you do sing. Yes. So actually, it's better if you're not that good. So we actually have a very, very festive lineup this year, an 80-minute program full of classics, some of our favorite classics. So who would have thought that NSYNC would have created one of our favorite holiday songs? Who would have thought? We can't do this without NSYNC. We can't do it. But there's also quite a few new clips this year for those of you who have been before. So I have two words for you. Neil Diamond. That's it. That's it. Now, I don't know if Neil Diamond fills your heart with 30 proof eggnog like he does mine, but I have been looking and waiting forever to get a Neil Diamond clip in here. So, here we are, Neil Diamond. And of course, as you know, our taste here at the Loft tends to run a little towards the cheesy. So if you don't like Charo, there's the door. There. There's many, many exits for you to leave this place. We also know that, well, okay, so I just want to make the other disclaimer. So if your favorite video does not pop up, chill out. We will hook you up next year. So like if Justin Bieber's here tonight, I'm sorry we didn't play one of your music videos, your Christmas videos. Maybe we'll get you next year, but we won't. Yeah. No Justin Bieber. No Justin Bieber. Yeah. And now he's gonna egg the theater, so that sucks. So we all know Christmas is many things. It's goodwill, it's peace on earth, blah, 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 blah. But we know what it's really about. It's about soul-destroying, eye-scorching, horrifying Christmas sweaters and sweater byproducts. Which means it is time, once again, for the very merry holiday sing-along spectacular bad sweater and Christmas costume parade / competition. So if any of you spoke to Nikki in her Hollis sweater, please make your way over here because you're gonna compete. And there's a fabulous prize, as always, for you. Yes. So you'll make your way to the stage. Now, as you're lining up, I'm gonna say, it's not enough to just show off what you're wearing. We want to hear why you're wearing it.
Okay, that's a wrap.
That's a wrap, baby. We're done. We're ready to wrap it up and put it in the oven and take it out and put the tinfoil.
So, Ms. King, did you have a good time this
I had
evening?
a great time.
Good.
I was singing
Me too.
and laughing.
Me too.
And at one point there was shouting.
Yes.
Everybody likes
Yeah.
running in DMC.
You were rapping.
I was rapping.
I never
like
expected to see you rapping,
You
but
know,
you were a rapper tonight.
I was.
That's awesome.
I'm a professional rapper,
Yes.
actually. Oh my
Oh.
gosh, it's corny and fun Christmas music. It's fun. Because you look like a fun person.
I am.
I mean, with the horns and the...
That's a great sweater, and you didn't win.
It's okay.
Are you a quirky person? And when you tell someone, if you love it, tell your friends. That's my tagline for the night.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas.
Same to you.
Whoa, I'm a pretty...